Zara's Sunrise on the Red Sand Dunes. And this one feels very special. Thank you pala Baba sa Christmas gift. I love you. Today, we're unboxing one of Zara's most talked about scents. And I'll walk you through the packaging, the vibe, and most importantly, how it actually smells on the skin. So buksan natin guys. Nabuksan ko na kasi ito eh. Okay, natanggal ko na yung sticker dyan. So ito yung itsura ng box. Then ganito yung bottle. Alright. For me maganda. Kasi it feels, ano yan, it feels premium for the price. Even yung box itself. Then yung bottle pa. Napaka minimalist. And yeah. Bottle itself tells a story. Warm, soft, mysterious, and it feels like early morning light on sand dunes. Tingnan na natin, atomizer check. Damn. Sa skin, try natin. Okay. So, sa opening niya, very fresh, very citrusy. Maamoy mo yung ginger, white floral. Yeah, very fresh, very citrusy yung opening niya. As it dry downs, as it settles, it becomes warmer, smoother. And there's a soft sweetness that feels comforting, like parang creamy, ganun. Siguro gawa siya na kasi yung notes nito, it has amber and tonka. Kaya yung dry down niya, medyo magiging creamy smell, like sweet ganun siya. Pero very fresh pa rin. So performance talk tayo. Natry ko na to eh. Natry ko na siya few times. And longevity para sa akin moderate. And projection, yes, it projects. Naamoy siya. Naamoy naman siya kahit katabi mo or malapit sa'yo. Then, best time to wear para sa akin to, morning, afternoon, kahit night, pwede mo siya suotin. Kasi medyo versatile naman yung scent for me. If you're into freshies talaga, pwede mo siya gamitin any time of the day. Kahit cold or hot weather pa yan. For me. So, yun. If you love clean, fresh scent that feels expensive without even trying, this one's for you. But if you like very heavy or spicy perfumes, this might feel too soft. Alright. Then, for the price, this one is such a beautiful everyday scent for me. This is one of my favorite na sa mga Imagination DNAs. I tried Enzo Scents and Origin Labs. This one from Enzo Scents, yung DNA, yung dupe nila for Imagination. And this one yung sa Origin Lab. Para sa tatlo, iba-iba yung amoy nila eh. Pero sa tatlo na to ngayon, this one, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Medyo may twist talaga. Fresh, citrusy, gingers on the opening. Then, sa dry down, medyo nagkiki-sweet. Gawa ng amber and tonka. Just let me know kung gusto nyo ipag-compare ko tong tatlo for the first, next video. Let me know in the comments. Try nyo to guys. This definitely will be one of my everyday scents. Lalo na mainit sa Pilipinas. And so yeah, would you wear this? Just, let me know in the comments. And follow for more fragrances like this. Peace out. Ito pa. Bango. Grabe.